You are looking to BB Bicycle Ergonomic Bike Floor Pump. Let's unwrap this bad boy up. We're outside right now. This is what it looks like. They look so pretty. It holds up to 160 psi. That one right there, the yellow one, you can inflate your bed. The needle one, you can inflate your ball, volleyball, basketball. Let's cut this nozzle up. Now it's out. Let's put this bad boy to work. The only thing I don't like about this, they are too light. Okay, there's a needle in it. You can turn it up to whatever you want. Let's say I set it to 40 because I want to inflate my bike to 40 psi. So that one is the needle. The needle is for the ball, basketball, volleyball, soccer, and the other one, the yellow one, is to inflate any inflatable device, floating device, bed into your house. So now we're gonna hook this up to my bike. Okay, yeah, it's so very light. The only thing I don't like about this thing, they are light. If you want light, it's good. I want heavy. So this is the nozzle. There's a presta and schrader valve, okay, which says P and S in there. So you're gonna turn this, the arrow, whatever you want it to use. If you want to use presta, the one with the gray, I'm gonna turn it to that one. That's what I want to use. I want to inflate my tire up to 40 psi. So open the presta valve, push it down. Okay, there you go. Start inflating. Put your A into it. Come on, let's go. Now I'm almost 40. Okay, almost. That's good for video purpose only. What you're gonna do, you're gonna take it off. You're gonna push that arrow parallel to the hose and pull it out. And then make sure it goes to your presta.